A warm welcome to Fixtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions.
Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial at Fixtastic Contents. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to install a custom recovery, for example, Twrp recovery, on any Android phone. Remember, this tutorial is only applicable to bootloader unlocked devices. So let us get started. Firstly, power off your phone. Now, boot into bootloader mode. Usually, holding volume up or down key with power button make the phone boot the phone into bootloader mode. Now connect the phone to your laptop or PC via USB cable. Then open the Platform Tools folder and open Command Prompt as shown in the video. Type in the command fastboot devices to check if the phone is properly connected to the PC. Once you see your phone's serial number on the screen, you are good to go for the next step. Now open up a web browser and type in twrp.me. Click on Devices, select your phone's manufacturer and model to download the Twrp recovery for your device, and copy it to the root of your Platform Tools folder. Head back to the command prompt and type in fastboot flash recovery twrp.img. Remember to copy the file name and replace twrp.img with your file name as shown in the video. Now, press enter to execute the command. Once a success or OK message displayed on the screen, you can now boot your phone to the new recovery. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, Fixtastic Content, for more related contents to come.